Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back again to another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a hidden admin account that will be a backup account, okay? So it's not going to appear in the login screen. So you can use it for emergency cases when you have issue with your local account. You can log in with the admin account and then you resolve your issue, okay? But before we dive into the video, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and turning on your bell notifications to never miss any updates. Now let's get started. So to create a hidden account, you have to watch this video to the end because you don't have to miss any of the steps, okay? And to get started, I'm going to use my virtual machine for the demonstration. So let me quickly open my virtual machine, which I've launched already. And then to create the account, you are going to use command prompt, okay? So I'm going to click on the search and then I'll type CMD. And we have to run the command prompt with admin privilege. So I'm going to click on run as administrator. And then I'll click on yes to allow these apps to make changes, okay? So to create the hidden admin account, we first have to create the user we want to use for the hidden admin, okay? So to do that, you're going to type net user space hidden admin space, then the password we want to use for the account, okay? So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to use this password. Okay, and then we bring a space and then /add, and then so here we are going to change the hidden account to what we want to use for our account, for our admin account, okay? So we are going to change the hidden admin to our own admin. So let me bring the cursor. So I'm going to type test admin, okay? So this is what I want to use for my hidden account, test admin. So when I'm done, I'll enter on my keyboard. Okay, let me try again. Okay, so the command completed successfully. Okay, so when we are done, we have to add this user account, the test admin, to the local administrators group, okay? And to do that, we are going to type net local group administrators, okay? And then space, then we bring the name of the account, okay? So test admin space /add, okay? So we'll press the enter key on the keyboard. So command completed successfully, okay? So now the test admin had been added, okay? So let me show you something. So when we click on the start and then we click on the current user, which is Sakes, you can see the test admin here and one user account I created, okay? So now we are going to hide the test admin, okay? So to do that, I'm going to open the command prompt by going to the search and type me CMD, and then we run the command prompt with admin privilege. So I'm going to click on run as administrator. And then I'll click on yes to allow this app to make changes to the computer. And I'm going to paste my command in the command prompt, okay? So you can see the command from here, okay? So it is the command we've used. So let me expand it, maximize it, and then we see the command very well, okay? So it is the command, okay? And I put in the test admin, okay? So the operation completed successfully. So let me close the command prompt, and then we'll go back to the user account, but I need to restart my PC. Okay, let me go back to the user account. So let me restart my PC first. So whilst it's restarting, I'll meet you at the other side. Okay, so I've restarted my virtual machine, okay? So now let me show you again if we have the test admin there. So if I click on the start and I click on the current user Sakes, So you see now we have only one account, Samak and Sakes. Okay, so the Sakes is the current user and the Samak is the other user I created. So now the test admin I showed you earlier is not there, so it's hidden. So now to use the test admin, so let me show you how to use the test admin to log in. Okay, so let me sign out from Sakes. So now we've hide the test admin from the list of users, so you don't see it. Okay, but we can use it if there is any emergency with our local account. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate to you how to use it. So let me type in my test admin. Okay, so let me bring dot backslash and then I'll type the password. Okay, so you see it sets me up for the hidden account I created for test admin. Okay, so to log into the account you have to bring dot and backslash before the username and the password for the hidden account. Okay, so the account is not going to show in the list of users in the login screen. Okay, it's hidden from sight. So supposing you have issue with your local account, you have issue with your password or your account, you can quickly log in with the test admin, which is the hidden account, and then you can resolve the issue quickly. Okay, so it's logging me in, it's going to prepare my desktop, and then we'll be good to go. So we're setting up my account, okay, for the test admin. Okay, so I'll leave the default, I'll leave the default, I'll leave the default, and then I'll leave the default. Okay, so I'm leaving the default for all the settings. Okay, so now the test admin has been created. Okay, so you can use your, you see your administrator or organization has set your, okay, so my test admin has been created. So this is how to create a hidden account for a hidden admin for emergency cases. Okay, so if you have issue with your login or your local account, you can quickly log in with your hidden admin and resolve the issue. So this brings us to the end of the tutorial. Please, if you find value in this video, kindly support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button, liking the video, and turning on your bell notification so you never miss any update. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.